Dear brothers and sisters, today's podcast is about women empowerment and will speak of a particular woman who has become famous in the country overnight. I would like to share my thoughts of an important topic, women empowerment achiever. It is very important for the development of country and ultimately the world, particularly in rural areas. The full participation and partnership of both women and men is required in productive life. This is again a vast topic for which I may podcast as a separate content. Today I want to podcast about an woman, Sneha Dubey, the young diplomat hit out Pakistan for sheltering terrorists at United Nations General Assembly. First, I will describe a little about her history and career. Then, I will describe about the important speech delivered at United Nations General Assembly. She was born in the year 1993 at Goa State. She had school education from Manovikas School, Margo, Goa. Graduation from Ferguson College, Pune, Maharashtra. MA and MPhil in Geography and Geopolitics from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Her profession is Indian Foreign Service. From December 2013 to August 2014, she was posted as Under Secretary at Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi, in charge of Latin America and Caribbean. From August 2014, Third Secretary at the Embassy of India, Madrid, Spain. Then she became the young and first female secretary to reach this platform at the age of 28 years. The diplomat has a special interest in international affairs. Definitely, she is capable to handle such an important position. I want to highlight her caliber to encourage to many youngsters and women empowerment. Now, I will speak few important points of the speech of Sneha Dubey at United Nations General Assembly on 25th September 2021. After that, it caught the world's attention and went viral on social media. She won the hearts of millions of Indians for her well-described reply to Imran Khan's speech mentioning the issue at UNGA, and earned the praise for the way she handled it. India's First Secretary Sneha Dubey, while addressing UNGA, says the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh were, are and always be an integral part of India. This includes areas that are under illegal occupation of Pakistan. She told, regrettably, this is not the first time the leader of Pakistan has misused platforms provided by United Nations to propagate false and malicious propaganda against my country and seek in vain to divert the world's attention from the sad state of the country where terrorists enjoy free pass. Members of the states are aware that Pakistan has an established history and policy aiding and activity supporting terrorists. This is also a country that has been globally recognized as openly supporting, training, financing and arming terrorists as a matter of state policy. The world has not forgotten that the mastermind behind the incident 9/11 was Osama bin Laden, got shelter in Pakistan, who was killed by US Special Force in 2011. Dubey further said, regrettably, even today we heard the leader of Pakistan trying to justify acts of terror. Such defense of terrorism is unacceptable in the modern world. She also slammed Pakistan for suppressing its minority community. Drawing a parallel between India and Pakistan, she said that India is a pluralistic democracy with a substantial population of minorities who have gone to hold the highest offices in the country, including as President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice, and Chiefs of Army Staff. She also said that unlike Pakistan, India is a country with free media and an independent judiciary that keeps a watch and protects our constitution. The new young Indian Foreign Service officer received several congratulatory messages on social media after she responded to Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan's comments. Indian students and UPSC aspirants are hailing her as the new youth icon. Her comments of Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan at the United Nations General Assembly has won the hearts of all the Indians. India's first Secretary to UN, Sneha Dubey, has overnight emerged as the new icon of inspiration for the youth. She is gathering unprecedented praise for her outstanding response. In our country, where women are often thought to be suppressed and not have political views, Sneha has proved that women too can give a strong counter arguments. Indians are really proud at how young minds like Dubey are thinking and voicing her concerns for our country. So women empowerment is a critical aspect to achieving gender equality, where both men and women have equal power and opportunity for education, economic participation, and personal development. Women in India are emerging in all sectors, including politics, business, medicine, sports, and agriculture. In my opinion, still India has a long way to go in many areas of women empowerment. In subsequent podcast, I will give more content for the women empowerment achiever in our country. If you like my podcast, please follow me on Spotify or any other platform. If you are watching my post on YouTube, please like, share, and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.